What is going on, everybody? Since my video with Sprizzy did so well on growing my YouTube channel over a year ago, I figured I'm gonna do another one on growing an Instagram page. It's every day, it's getting harder and harder and harder to grow your Instagram following. So I went on Fiverr and I recruited a professional Instagram growth coach or manager, account manager, as you can say. So is it worth it going on Fiverr in 2022 and paying somebody to grow your page? Watch this video and find out.
It's modern segregation, this is setting up a civil war. Burn the circus down, cause the world is full of clowns. They're all stupid and they're proud, painted smiles on their mouths. I don't hang with bozos, homie, I can't be around you. Anyone who knows me knows my feet don't fit in clown shoes.
What is going on, everybody? Like I said, I did it my last video when I reviewed Sprizzy did so well. I think I'm gonna do another one in growing an Instagram page. Now, I don't personally have Instagram anymore. I just decided to go another route and just stick with YouTube in general. But the main premise of this page is stuff that I like my watches, my sneakers, gear, and just guns and traveling in general. So I wanted to create a page like that. That way I can just share certain things like that. Nothing personal with me. So I created this page and I wanted to try to grow it, but in a different way. I wanted to pay somebody to do it. I wanted to see if it's worth it. So I went on Fiverr, jump over to the computer, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I'll make this video as quick as possible. Okay, boom. So this is the guy's page. This is the title that actually grabbed my attention. So he has 5 stars for 1. He's a level 2 seller. I will strategically grow your followers on Instagram, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for stuff with engagement, stuff with like-minded people. So anyways, you go to his page. This is the guy. Here's his little tiers: basic, standard, and premium. I bought the premium for $250, actually with tax, just to show that I actually did it. It came to $263.75. So in this little thumbnail picture, it says, no bots or third-party services, up to 1,500 followers each month. So, I mean, I guess that's pretty decent. So you scroll down here, it says, stop buying fake followers and say goodbye to harmful bots. Okay, so that, I mean, it gets you, it's enticing, right? So highlighted here, he says, we are the only service on Fiverr that guarantees, in capital letters, 300 new followers or money back. Let's pay attention to that last one. So you scroll down, you see all this stuff. He gives you all this guarantee, blah, blah, blah. So it says how it works. It says they're going to follow/unfollow and unfollow people. So they're going to follow and unfollow, like, comment, naturally result in exponential audience growth. I'll show you guys in a second. So they scour your page for 1 to 2 hours for targeted engagement. Laser targeting research, growth monitoring. So they're trying to target, and I'll get into that later. So we're gonna grow one more up. Why manual growth, okay? Every action I do, he says every action I do on your account will be done manually from a real phone, so there is no risk of your account being disabled, blocked, or shadow banned. Keep, in bold letters, keep your account safe. All right, this is where I'm gonna speed through this. So let's get off the computer. Now, I've had this guy for about a month now. It's been over a month and a day. And I paid for his services, like I said, over a month ago. I started out with, right here, 12 followers. Now, 12 followers, and I've only had this page a week before I bought this dude's service. So I had 12 followers, and I followed 71 people. 71 people that I liked, either they're people that are in the gun community, travel community, sneaker community, or just gun manufacturers, period, ammunition, stuff that I find interesting. We're gonna go to his service, right? So we'll start with the very first week. So within the very first week, he gets my account temporarily banned.
What the hell is that?
Look right here. So he temporarily gets my account banned. And for those of you who've never had your account temporarily banned, basically what it is you can't like, comment, follow anything, anybody's page. You can't do any of that. You can post on your page. I think you can post like reels or stories, but you can't post anything on other people's, like you can't comment on people's things. So that was number one. So that kind of pissed me. And then after that, they go and get my account flagged again. Instagram sends me this notification right here.
Emotional, damn it!
So I have to change my password. So I send them an email, say, hey, Instagram's making me change my password. What's going on? Oh, Instagram's just tripping, basically. So I send them my new password. Fast forward another week after that, my account gets temporarily banned again.
What the hell is this? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell you say?
And at this point, I just pretty much lost all hope. I'm just like, dude, you guys are tripping. So that's just the first anomaly on my part. So remember what he said in his little Fiverr post? Laser targeting results, right? So you come up here. This is going to be where you can see, I just check in periodically. This is where you're gonna see who they follow. I didn't follow anybody new. They did all the following. So if you see somebody right here named Rose, kind of weird, right? They don't look like they're into sneakers, guns, or traveling, but don't let me judge. Let's check out their page. Weird. Rose doesn't have any posts, and she's following quite a bit of people too. Weird. It gets better. Rose DMs me. Hello. Fine. Where are you from? Okay. Can you send your pic? Mind you, I've never said not one word to this chick or person. So that's weird. Though that's very laser, it's very laser targeting research. I see. Don't worry, it gets better. Let's do it again. Here it is, the people that I'm following and that follow me back. So let's look at the very, very, very top one. So this is Chloe. I'm gonna have to censor all this out with peaches and eggplants because I can't show that on YouTube. I'm gonna get flagged, but it's very phallic things. She looks like she's really interested in sneakers and watches and traveling. Laser targeting research. Or this person named James. Yeah, the picture definitely gives me a James vibe. Or if you look down, that little black girl definitely looks like a James. Laser targeting. And stay on the topic of laser targeting research. They started following this kid. He's like 9 or 10. You think we have the same interests? I don't think so. Weird. And then the pista resistance, Mark. So just because I like guns and sneakers and stuff, all of a sudden I'm associated with KKK, Make America Great Again, swastikas, and the Republican elephant.
Emotional, damn it!
What the
Failure!
So yeah, that is that's my experience. So do I think that you guys should pay an account manager to manage your account? Absolutely
Failure.
I spent $263.75 to get this result. Oh yeah, let's backtrack a little bit. So I started with 12 followers, and now I have 246 followers. But don't worry, I'm following 720 people. Premise of this video: don't hire these people. Don't hire this kind of service. Now, if you excuse me, I have to go unfollow 600 plus people because those are people that have nothing to do with me, my values, and what I like in Instagram. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't hire these kind of people. See you on the next one. Peace. Okay, and it gets even funnier. So, as I'm in the middle of unfollowing everybody after editing this video, I get this message from Instagram.
What the hell you say?
What? So they limit you on how many people you can unfollow on your own personal page? This is why I don't fuck with Instagram.
It's modern segregation. This is setting up a civil war. Burn the circus down, cause the world is full of clowns. They're all stupid and they're proud, painted smiles on their mouths. I don't hang with bozos, homie, I can't be around you. Anyone who knows me knows my feet don't